Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Binance and signing in. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready so you don't get locked out. Once logged in, go directly to the Learn or Discover tab. This is where curated content appears. You want notifications allowed so the platform can push daily items. While you're here, confirm your language and region settings. That affects which word of the day appears. Now that prerequisites are done, tap into the Learning feed to find the first content card. Once in the Learn feed, scroll or use the search box for the phrase word of the day. Binance surfaces it as a card with definition and usage. Tap to expand, read the short definition, example sentences, and any linked articles or videos that explain context. If a technical term appears, use the built-in translate or the search icon to pull up deeper articles or short clips. Make sure to check the date on the card so you're viewing today's entry, not an older archived item. After you open the word card, save or bookmark it so you can review later. You can also copy examples into your own notes or a flashcard app for spaced repetition. Set a daily reminder in the app or your phone to revisit the word and practice its use in sentences. If you can't find the word of the day, update Binance, clear cache, and confirm region and language settings. These fixes restore missing content. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh your feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.